Hello friends, in this video I am going to create a LabVIEW program which will verify whether the given number is even or odd. To provide an input I need one numeric control. Here output will be in the form of true and false. So I am taking Boolean indicator which is round LEDs. I am making this LED little bit bigger. First Boolean indicator is for true case which is an even number, and another Boolean indicator is for false case which is an odd number. Change the name of control. I am giving the control name as a number. Now change the name of indicator. For first indicator I am giving the name as even, whereas for second indicator I am giving the name as odd. To determine whether the number is even or odd, I need to know the remainder of the number when it is divisible by 2. So I am taking quotient and remainder function from the numeric function. This function takes two input. First input is connected to the control terminal. Constant 2 is given to the second input. You can get the constant by right clicking into the function and select to the create, then constant. Add number 2 as a constant. To know whether the remainder is 0 or not, I am adding a comparison function which is equals to 0. This function will return true if the input is equals to 0, otherwise it returns false. Connect the equals to 0 function with the remainder. If equals to 0 function is true, connect to the even indicator, which means remainder is equals to 0. For false condition, I am using not function, which is under Boolean function. Which means if input is false, the function return true and odd LED will glow. Now to check whether the program is working or not, click to the Run Continuously button. After clicking to the Run Continuously button, start incrementing the numeric control. Since 0 is divisible by 2 and remainder will become 0, so it is an even number. 1 is an odd number, 2 is again an even number, 3 is again an odd number, 4 is even number. Likewise, you can increase the number and check whether this program is working perfectly or not. Click to the Abort Execution button. After clicking to the Abort Execution button, select entire program and click to the Cleanup Wire selection. This will help the program to look neat and clean. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel.